Here is a Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there's a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem. Put your hand over there and then pull it up. Just like this. That's where your hand goes. Now lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod and put it right over there in that slot. Now let it go and the hood is secure. Now right over there is the battery. We have to undo 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all of them are 10mm. So you'll need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Let's go ahead and get this negative terminal wire nut loose, and all you have to do is just loosen this enough so that we can wiggle the wire off of it like this, and now set it aside so there's no more accidental contact throughout the process. Repeat the process for the positive terminal. Right over there is the nut. Just loosen it, and again just loosen it enough so that we can get the wire off the battery post. Good. Now set it aside. Now what we have to do is get those 2 nuts for the bracket that's holding it in place. Just get that loose. Let's start with the front one over here first, and then you'll be able to get this hook end of the rod out of that hole. Now see, it's loose. Now let's repeat the process for the other one. You don't even have to loosen this nut, but it just makes it easier when you're putting it back. Get it out of there, and now let's get the bracket aside. Grab this handle and then pull the battery out. Be careful, it's heavy, so don't drop it. And if this cover comes loose, I'll show you how to put it back in. You see there's this text over there. It should be pointing towards the back of the car. So you set it in the way I'm showing, and then just move it forward and backward, side to side, and it'll just drop in the holes over there. See that? Good. That's looking good. It's not going to move anywhere now. The battery group is 51R. The positive side is marked with the plus, negative side is marked with the minus. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Let's put it back in, and now let's put this bracket back in place, and I'll show you where the hook ends of those rods, they go right in that hole over there. Just get it in. Good. And the second one in the front goes over here, right there. Good. And now just make sure that the bracket is not in place of these clips for the air filter cover, because otherwise when you change the air filter you'll have to loosen this bolts again. It's just extra work, so just be sure of that. So it should look the way I'm showing now. See, it's clear of the clips there. That's looking good. Now let's just go ahead and tighten it up. The one in the front over there, make sure that hook end doesn't come out. This is looking good. Everything's in place. And the battery's not moving. And now let's just go ahead and put the positive terminal wire back on the battery post. Now over here it's important that you push it down as much as you can, right? Otherwise you'll have a bad contact and just cause an issue later on. So push it down, tighten it, repeat the process for the negative one. Just push it down as much as you can on the battery post. Now let's just look at this. See, that's the positive one. The negative one is also on there properly. Let's just tighten it up. Make sure it's not moving. That's good. Turn the car on. All the lights are coming on. Let's turn the engine on. Alright, turns on. No issues, no lights. The audio is on. Everything else is working just as it should. And that is good. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.